Most flexible and very soft when we drive it.
2.5 liter turbo. It's very powerful.
Tank is a new generation of suspension, I guess. I could keep sitting comfortably.
About the HI4 system, everyone loved it. We tried it out in our country from Dubai. If the car cannot drive on this we will not buy it. But we tried this car. They made a huge enhancement about their cars, and now I can say their cars, like, they are my favorite. And even in our country, they are like the best Chinese selling cars there.
This is the main thing for the off-road, to feel very comfortable and very soft. This is the amazing experience to show it in the test drive.
And even the noise isolation inside the cabin is really, really good. It's a really wonderful car. The best for off-roader.
I think that in our market, the Tank 300 will be a very large success. This guy can also use these vehicles for adventure.
Very well built, great suspension there, and it's awesome to drive. They're more and more popular every month in Australia.
GWM.
GWM, go with more!
GWM, go with more.